1 2 is this thing on? What's going on, everybody? I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. And you know what I'm here to do, right? I'm here to do a reading for the collective people. What's going on, collective? So today's tarot is going to consist of a 3-card draw. I am not going to hold you long. Pause. But I'm not too long anyway. I do want to discuss some things. The cards are already out here. Don't worry, I did not bamboozle you. Now check it out. We're starting off with the 5 of Pentacles. The 5 of Pentacles is in reverse, though. It's in reverse. Followed by the Knight card. Now, the Knight card is unique to this deck. I will get to that in a sec. Bars of Knights. We know that already. Enough about me. Let's talk about y'all. It's followed by the 3 of Pentacles. All right. So, the matter at hand here is this. You've been triggered by some type of subconscious conversation that has taken place in the ether, in the spiritual realm. It's like something you can sense, something you can feel. Someone specifically is talking about you, flexing their power. There's a power dynamic going on. For some of y'all, this is actually your spouse. Yes, I said that correctly. This is actually your spouse. So there's a conflict. There's something that needs to be addressed between you and your spouse. So this could be actually, like you could go out, if you go out on a night with the guys or you're going out on a night with the girls, and y'all start venting over a couple of drinks about what you're going through with your spouse. So you talking about them like a dog. You saying all the things that you want to say to them, but you're just not saying to them because you know that might spill over into something and escalate into something bigger that you don't want to necessarily explode. But it's more about not wanting to reveal your hand. See, this is a power play that's going on that is a power dynamic it's a struggle. It's even kind of feels like there's a one-up. There's one spouse trying to one-up the other, or whatever the case may be. And for whatever reason, you got to keep this under wraps. Whatever reason, you got to keep this under wraps. It ain't even no whatever reason. There's this like vibe for independence, regardless of being in a connection with someone. For some of y'all, this is even exes. So this is some of them exes that you know how they get clout still, I guess we'll say, for lack of better terms. They get attention because people mention you. So they're still like linked to your legacy or history, we'll call it, if it's not that too much of a grandstand, right? But they still, like, they low-key hate you, your exes, but they also get the attention from people mentioning you. So if they're at a barbecue or they're at an event or they're having a few drinks with their peoples, they get to talking about you because you're attached to their history in some type of way. Next thing you know, conversation extends to about 3 hours, and then they feel this powerful surge. Now, what's happening behind that is they still have this feeling of wanting to one-up you. There's a competition going on. There's a competition going on in that area. And you feel like, this is specific, you feel like you can make more money than them, or you are better at making money than they are. You know more about what it takes to make money. You know how it feels to be more serious. And I mean, like, your feelings are attacked. Your feelings and your focus are in sync right now, presenting an opportunity for you to build business right now. And this is what I'm feeling is being kept under wraps from the spouse. I see that some of y'all, or those of you who are in relationships currently, are even holding out on sex right now. But you look good. So meaning, like, you could go to sleep in boy shorts and motherfucker still ain't getting no ass type shit. Again, power plays, power dynamics. And, I don't know if your goal is to, like, separate or whatever the case may be. This is really just financially motivated. So I don't even see any of that. But I do see, for some of y'all, these are like exes who still feel attached to you. And they maybe they got wind that you're working on something, or they know what you do, and therefore they feel like they have to compete with you, and they have to do something in the realm of business as well in order to top you, or at least in order to be part of the conversation that's related to business. What's also being shown here is that some of y'all are not getting the best sleep at night. For those of you who aren't getting the best sleep and you're irritated by it and you want to be able to fall asleep like you used to so you can get up in the morning, and some of y'all could still get up in the morning, but this is what it is, right? The nighttime is being extended for you on purpose. It's actually a gift from the universe to you. And I feel strongly that it's attached to this desire for you to build this business, to build what you're working on. So it extends your day. So while everyone else is sleeping, you got 2 to 3 hours to continue working on what it is that you're working on. Don't fear that you won't be able to get up in the morning and do what you have to do. You will. Miraculously, you will. It's a trick. The same way that your mind is playing a trick on you to believe that you won't be functioning well because you'll be too tired when you get up in the morning is the same type of technology that you can do to your mind to let you know that you will be fully functional in the morning and it'll feel like you slept all night. Placebo effect type shit. You got to do this. I mean, it's being advised to do this. You want to do this, right? You want to do that thing, right? So do it. Some of y'all have actually been triggered in your dreams. If this is you, get in the comment section. Some of you have been triggered in your dreams. This is how you find out. This is how you found out. Because remember I said, they might be having secret counsel, like getting together with their friends or whatever the case may be. And this is like a subconscious competition going on. No one has even told you about this. You could feel people talking about you. And again, this could be the spouse that you're with, or this could be your ex. And they have done something that you've seen in the dream that has triggered you. They doubt you. I'm keeping it a beam. They doubt you. They doubt you have the skill set to actually be able to manage business in a way that puts you amongst the giants, I guess you could say, of the world. And not that that's even the, you know what else I'm getting though? That's not even the necessary goal. That all business should not look alike. Because I'll tell you like this. What I mean is, for some of y'all that are working on that thing, right? Y'all have been experiencing delays because you've been trying to, like, your vision for it is very expansive, and you've been trying to implement the whole picture at one time before you publish or drop it on everyone. Publish is definitely, I'm keeping that word, publish. Some of y'all are writing books. Some of y'all are uploading stuff to the internet, publishing. You are experiencing the delays because the vision is too big. Pause. And I know that feels like it sucks. It irritates some of y'all because that whisper that you're hearing subconsciously that you're not competent enough, low key wants you to be able to launch this thing at full throttle. But what I'm saying is that will let the cat out of the bag. You can still keep the expansiveness of your vision under wraps while not revealing all of it, and still do it play by play, step by step, baby steps, walk it out to the people, spoon feed the people. I'm also hearing, don't think that everyone is that intelligent to even capture your vision like that. I know how that sounds, but I gotta say it the way that I'm saying it. But y'all have been triggered and you've seen it in your dreams, and I see that is a very healthy thing. It's a very healthy thing. Because now you got the fire under your ass to say, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing my thing. Because I feel like some of y'all is about to give up on the whole idea in general. Some of y'all do feel threatened by your spouse. Just keeping it a beam. But now it's like, all right, challenge on. This is just, I can't say I haven't seen this type of activity before, felt this type of energy in a reading before, but this is very specific and it just feels like awkward to me. But these are the type of relationship dynamics that occur in these days and times. That's the part that's awkward to me. But that's my personal opinion. Doesn't really have no relevance to the reading. Take everything that I said before those last 30 seconds and apply it if it resonates. If it don't, let it fly. Until next time, I'm out of here.